Understanding your hair type is important. It allows you to identify the unique care your hair needs. So here are the different hair types. Type 1. Straight hair. The straight hair has no natural curl. The hair strands may be fine or coarse, thick or thin, but they fall without waving from root to tip. This type has the tendency to become oily, so it's recommended that you check the products you're using to avoid making it extra oily. Stylists usually suggest avoiding heavy serums or butters and using texture sprays instead. Washing this type of hair too often can cause your scalp to produce more oils. That's why using dry shampoo is a good idea to use with straight, oily hair. Type 2. Wavy hair. The wavy hair sits between the straight and curly hair and has 3 categories. Type 2A. Wavy hair. This type of hair is gentle, tousled texture. The hair from the root to about eye level is fairly straight, and from eye level to the end of it has a slight waving to it. To avoid flattening out that waving, stay away from oil-based or creamy products. Instead, you can boost the base with light mousse or use a gel. Type 2B. Wavy hair. The curl for this type starts from the midpoint to the ends and has more defined S-shape to it. It needs a little more effort to straighten. This type of hair is ideal for the balayage hairstyle. Type 2C. Wavy hair. It has a well-defined S-shape waves than the other types of Type 2. The wave may start close to the crown and tumble downward, and this type is often thick and likely to fizz in damp weather, which can be solved by using diffuser with the dryer to help eliminate the frizz. Type 3. Curly hair. This hair type is a curly hair texture with a definitive S pattern and is divided to 3 subtypes. Type 3A. This type of curly hair is S-shaped curls that form loose loops, which have a circumference a little wider than the large ends of a taper candle. Brushing this type of hair can lead to frizzy mane and wrecked curl definition. It's recommended by hairstylists to avoid ponytail, as it causes curls to lose their natural formation, and it can lead to thinning and hair loss at the hairline. Type 3B. The curls in this type have a circumference around as wide as barrel of Sharpie marker, and the curls spring from the roots. To maintain the spiral shape, it needs in general to be moisturized. Avoid silicone and sulfates in your products. They might help you in short term to tame frizz, but in the long term, it will lead to breakage. Type 3C. The curls in this type are tight and springy. To preserve the definition of these curls, you have to use a leave-in conditioner instead of combing and rake through wet hair with your fingertips. The American Academy of Dermatology recommends that this type of hair should be air-dried instead of using blow dryer. Type 4. Coily hair. This hair type usually consists of close-knit curl pattern, also typically struggles to absorb moisture, which make it suffer from breakage, and it also has 3 categories. Type 4A. The curl for this type is S-shaped coil that is tight enough to be wrapped around a chopstick. You must be very gentle with it, and it needs to be moisturized a lot by using deep conditioning masks, butters, and creams to preserve the hair health. Type 4B. In this type, the curls zigzag. One popular styling technique for defining and accentuating your curls is shingling. Type 4C. Coils in this type are the tightest and most fragile. They can easily break, and it's vital to frequently nourish the hair with rich conditioners. To keep your hair healthy and defined, you will need to experiment with products to figure out the ones that work best for you. If you're not sure where to start, don't hesitate to consult a professional who specializes in your hair type. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and watch one of these videos.